students, what is boiling? Boiling is the rapid vaporization of a liquid which occurs when a liquid is heated to its boiling point. The temperature at which the vapor pressure of the liquid is equal to the pressure exerted on the liquid by the surrounding atmosphere. What is boiling point? The boiling point of a substance is the temperature at which the substance boils or enters a state of rapid evaporation. And boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius or 212 Fahrenheit. Benefits of boiling water. Boiling water can destroy germs and it can improve digestion and prevent us from the infection of waterborne diseases. I am going to tell preparation of idli batter. Ingredients for making idli: rice and black gram, fenugreek, and then salt. These are all the ingredients for making idli. And let us see about preparation of idli batter. I am going to take 3 cups of normal rice and I take 1 cup of black gram dal. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. So, fenugreek seeds. I have combined rice and fenugreek seeds together. Now I am going to add some of the water. I soak it for about 5 to 6 hours. Even I soaked black gram dal with sufficient water for 5 to 6 hours. I have soaked rice with fenugreek seeds and even black gram dal. I soaked it for about 5 to 6 hours. I will drain it out, the excess water from this and then I grind it. I have drained out all the water from rice and dal. Now I will put it in the grinder. Now I am going to switch on the button. This is the second process, grinding process. Idli batter is not ready because I can touch some of the rice granules. In this stage, we can sprinkle some water. Now the idli batter is ready. I am going to switch off the grinder. Here idli batter is ready. So I can transfer it into this type of container. Now The idli batter is ready. I transfer it into new container. Next, I am going to add salt for taste. I am going to mix salt plus batter. So here the mixture is ready. I give 8 hours to ferment this flour. I give 8 hours to ferment this idli batter. Now I am going to open it. Okay, right. So I'm going to mix it well. Yes, good. This is a idli cooker. I'm going to add water. This much of water is enough. This much of water is enough. Okay. This idli plate have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 molds. I'm gonna fill this mold with idli batter. I'm gonna transfer this idli plates to this idli cooker. Now it's time to steam our idlis. I will keep it in the high flame. I will steam the idlis exactly for 15 minutes. Idli is cooked by steaming method, and advantages of steaming: easy cooking method, and steamed food is easily digested. Steamed food retains vitamin C and E. Here the steam is coming out. Our idli is ready. Our idli is ready. Ingredients used for making idli is rice, black gram, fenugreek and salt. Idli making process: first step, soaking rice and black gram in water. Second step, grinding. Third step, allowing it to ferment. Fourth step, steaming in idli cooker. Idli is cooked by steaming method.